Omukuzi w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu omukyala Rebecca Lutwala Kadaga agobye omubaka Anthony Akol mu lutuula lw'olunaku olwaleero oluvannyuma lw'okuzuulibwa nti ono abadde yakava mu mawanga okuli erya South Africa awamu n'erya South Korea agamu ku ago agalina obulwadde bwa coronavirus.
South Korea is one of those countries where there has been a big epidemic. And Honorable Akol, if you have come from there, please exit the chamber now. Please. Please go to self-quarantine.
Ono okuvayo bw'ati kiddiridde omubaka ono okwewako obujulizi nga bwe yava mu mawanga ago wabula nga teyakeberebwa era nga kino omubaka era ijjakupa wasinzira okusaba omukuzi w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu oba omubaka ono asaanidde okubeeramu oba nedda.
The first trouble was to South Korea. I said the first trouble I made was to South Korea. Then I again went to South Africa. I came back on the 5th of this month. The order I'm raising is, when I travel, every airport you move in, they are testing the people who come to their country. But every time I arrive in Uganda, there is nothing like testing the people who are entering Uganda.
Not 14 days since that time, because people at the airport are told to do self-isolation. Is it in order for us to continue having him in the house when the mandatory 14 days have not elapsed? Moreover, he came from South Korea, decided affected. Is it in order to continue to here?
Now,
mu kusooka olutuula luno nga luggulwawo omukubiza w'ekikolwa ng'olukulu asobodde okutangaza ku paalamenti wa eggwanga Uganda we liyimiridde omuli entuula ezitali zimu okuyimirizibwa era ng'ono asabye ababaka bonna okwewala okugenda mu ngendo ezitali zimu olw'ensonga nti obulwadde bwa COVID-19 obuleetebwa akawuka aka korona bunyinyinchidde mu nsi eno.
We have just been informed that our meeting of the Interparliamentary Union for April has been cancelled. Also the meeting in St. Petersburg for the first week of June, organized by the Russian Federation Parliament, has also been cancelled. So I want to urge members to desist from traveling, non-essential travel, because things are really happening. So please, unless it's really, really necessary, let us stay put in our country.
Wabula ensonga eviiriddeko alimanywera omubaka Akol okugoba mu paalamenti olunaku olwaleero kiddiridde omubaka Bala okuleeta ensonga nti nnyaffe Uganda yeeteekerateekera okuba n'emizannyo egitali gimu awamu n'eggwanga erya Bufalansa ate ng'eggwanga erya Bufalansa liri mu katyabaga aka coronavirus.
I'm not worried, Madam Speaker, in this type of scenario, whether we shall be safe. I want the minister in charge to tell the country whether the visit of those very powerful players like Didier Drogba, Samuel Eto'o, Ebue and others may not affect and cause animosity in terms of the spread of coronavirus in Uganda.
Wabula minisita omubeezi w'ebyobulamu Robinah Nabbanja agumiza paalamenti nga waliwo embeera yonna eyeetaagisa okulaba nga buli ayingira mu nyaffe Uganda yeekeberebwa obulwadde bwa coronavirus.
Is an international problem. It is a pandemic, in fact. We, as a ministry, are putting in place a number of measures. Nobody comes to the country without being screened at our entry points, including these other peripheral points like Busia, Malaba, and these others. Now, these ones definitely will come through the international airport, that is Entebbe. They will be screened.
Minisita Hamson Obuwa ng'ono minisita omubeezi w'ebyemizannyo avuddeyo n'agumya eggwanga nga bajja okugoberera enteekateeka zonna ezinaaleetebwa minisitule y'ebyobulamu ku nsonga ezikwatagana ne coronavirus.
Agree on activities that will not have people who will be flown from outside Uganda to participate in. So, Madam Speaker, if there is any decision to either stop any of the activities earmarked for the 1 week under this program, in my very honest opinion, whether most of the activities are falling under sports, we would act under the advice of the competent authority and the competent authority on issues of health.
Ensi yonna ekyatambulira mu kutya omuli n'ennyaffe Uganda ku kirwadde ekya coronavirus era olunaku olwajjo minisita ow'ebyobulamu James Achem yavuddeyo n'alambika abantu nga bwe bateekeddwa okwewala enkuŋŋaana ssaako n'ebintu ebirala ebitali
should consider postponing non-essential travel to Uganda. Any traveler from these countries, including Ugandan nationals, will be subjected to self-quarantine for 14 days on arrival to Uganda. Handshaking and hugging are banned, and nobody should do it at any one time. Number 2, avoid close contact with people who are visibly sick with flu-like symptoms, fever, cough, and sneeze. 3, when sick with flu-like symptoms, avoid going to public places, offices, and public gatherings. Remain at home to avoid infecting others.
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa, Channel 44 of Guro.